Hello, so this is the video of the XTBOOKS point of sale system that works for the salon. So this will show you how it will work for your salon. Here I am logging in with two accounts, that is one for the super admin. The super admin is the owner of the business. So once they log in, they will show how many sales are being made, what is the orders we have, what is the average value of the order, and what is the expense for today. And here on the POS we will have this screen. Here you will have all your offerings. So this is for the salon. As we are giving it to many other business types also, there are just simple products here. So let's say that you have a salon called Salena Salon, and here we have 7 points. For example, they are having a loyalty system where they are giving the points, or you can also have any other uh, products like you are giving the wax, the massage, the haircut, or any other. Okay, and they will have a price on it. So let's say that this is the price that I want to make an invoice for, and this is the 100 dirhams price. Okay, so that is added here. I can have the quantity for it. Then this dining and table, it will not be for the salon. Here you will have the customer list. Here you will be able to select your customer, or you can also add a new customer right from here and having the name and mobile added for it. Then after you add the salon item, you can also add discount to it. So it could be a fixed discount or a percentage discount that you can add. So let's say that I want to add a 5% discount on this product. It will make it to 100, but the after discount price is 95. So I can also add the discount on the complete order, that will be fixed or percentage. So it is item level or order level. After that we can have the shipping, but the shipping is not for you, the salon owners. Maybe if you are delivering the products, the ready-made products, you can do that. Now after here we can do the cash and new for this order. So let's say the service is given and the bill you need to print, that is done from here. Or you can also add the order to a draft. So let's say a customer comes in and they request for the services that you are providing, and after the services are delivered, you can have them the bill. So you will have the completed orders listed here, and you will have the draft orders listed here also. So let me do the cash and new for this one, and receipt will be printed for me. So here the receipt will look like this. It will have your company name, it will have your address, telephone number, TRN, any information that you want here, we can give it to you. So phone number will be there for the customer name, invoice number, date, everything will be there. Then the item descriptions will be here. Subtotal will be there, then VAT, if it is exclusive or inclusive, that you can also set, and total will be here. So after that you will be able to save this, or you can print this. The printing will be done on your 80 receipt printer. So after that uh, you can add the expenses here. You will have your expenses. You can have the supplier here. You will be able to set the petty cash for this. Then you can have the reference number, expense type, if it is grocery for example, then who has spent it. If it is admin, if it is biller, if it is super admin, you can have your expense account also. For example, if you are giving it to the Deva or rent, water expenses, all of them can be added here. The amount will be there, then if it is taxable, and the narration will be there. So the expenses will be shown into the backend for you. For the admins, there will be all the expenses that you made. they will be shown here. Now this is done for the POS. POS, you will also have the categories, then you will have the brands for the products. So you can easily search for the products from here. Then we also have the cash register. The cash register will show you how much amount you are getting for the orders that you are fulfilling. It will give you the bank payments, cash payments, and total will be there. Once you close the cash register, the next shift that comes into the biller, it will be restart to the zero. So after that, we can have here, let me show you the dashboard here. On the dashboard, you will be able to see again the cash in bank summary. Then you will have the expenses loaded here. You can have chart of accounts for the accounting purposes and the vouchers, and you have your inventory here. The products are there. Then you can either import the products based on the CSV file that we give you, or you can add a new product just by filling up the form. Now your products can be single or variable products, and you can have all of these fields for them. There could be barcode, there could be purchase price and selling price. The purchase price goes for the profit and loss statement also. So after that, you have the purchase invoice for your products. So let's say that you source the products like shampoos or beard oil or anything that you will have for the salon. You can have them here, and it will have the quantity, so it will give your inventory report also. So after that, we have the list of sales, all the invoices for the sales. Then we have the CRM where your suppliers and customers details are shown. So here we have that. And also in the settings, we have the brand settings, we have the categories, units, then users, and variations, and text settings, and the company settings. So for the company settings, you will be able to select the name, the email, address, WhatsApp number, contact number, website, TRN number, and the logo. These will be shown into your uh, receipt. Then we have the accounting reports for you. The accounting reports, we will have the vouchers, cash book, day book, all the accounting reports are there. Then the balance sheet is there. So balance sheet we can show for today, for example. It will give you the assets, it will give you the liabilities, equity, and total will be there. After that, we have the P&L. The P&L can be also get from the system. It will show you the revenue, it will show you the expenses, and the net profit or net loss will be here. Then you will have the point of sale reports. So point of sale reports, you will have the sales report. Let's say I'm having the sales report. So my orders will be listed here. How much cost was there for me? How many I have sold? What was the quantity? What was the item total and the invoice total? Okay. Then I can also export this to the Excel. Then I have the VAT report. So if I am liable to pay the taxes, I will be having my total tax, total output and input tax will be listed here for me. Then also I have the Z report, I have item wise sales summary, biller wise sales summary, inventory summary. So let me show you the inventory summary. Here I can have all my products filtered or the category filtered. Okay. Then if I see this, I will see my inventory that my 7 points product is zero purchase. We don't have the purchase invoice for this one, so it is showing zero, and I have sold one, so it will show me -1 for this. So if I select this for this month, let me do it for the last month, so it will show me some more data. So here, let's say that this is a thinner that I have purchased one quantity. I have not sold it, so my one quantity is still there, right? So this is a very easy to use and very useful point of sale system for your business, the salon business. Okay, so let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions or suggestions with our system. Always your feedback is welcome, and make sure to contact extensive IT services regarding your requirements. Thank you so much.